And I currently live in Airby, which is also of Viking origins, so the whole thing is sort of coming home.
So Pict, Scot, Welsh, English, and now Vikings. We search for our roots, and in the past, we find ourselves.
If you look at this badge here, Tranmere Rovers. Tran comes from Old Norse meaning crane bird or heron, and mere, mel is sandbank, so Tranmere is the sandbank with the crane birds. And actually that's when I got interested in Vikings, really interested, when I found my football team was Viking.
God, I'll never go to Prenton Park again and see it in the same light.
Tranmere, Croxteth, Toxteth, Aintree, the home of the Grand National. Merseyside is stuffed with Viking names. The Viking invasion of the Wirral even has its own beer mats. Soon enough, they become like us, and we become like them. It's the British story. Chester has even got a church for a Viking saint.
Be with you and all who love and care this day and unto eternity. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
And today's Liverpudlians even get their nickname from Norwegian. Scousers.
People have said lobscouse, you just lob stuff in, that's why it's called such. It's a very practical stew.
So years ago when you lot got called Scousers, that's where it came from?
That's another example of our great affiliation with the Norwegians. Yeah. You didn't know that, did you?